What's up everyone? I'm Ashley Smashley. In this video, I want to talk about integrating past life experiences, ancestral trauma, and integrating for the collective. If you're new to my channel, please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications because we are just getting started over here. Now, recently in my life, I had a few experiences where I was triggered by an external emotional trigger, and my reaction to that trigger was completely out of proportion to the situation in which I was experiencing in my current 3D incarnation. And I was like, what is going on here? This is not about this life. This makes no sense why I feel this strong emotion for what just happened in my actual life. And that is one way for you to know that you are integrating a past life experience, something from your ancestors, or something that's in the collective. Now, some of us are here simply to integrate for the collective and for our ancestors. They are relying on us to be strong enough, to be brave enough, to experience our emotions so that we can be the vessel in which these emotions, this energy can flow through, and we are allowing it to be expressed. There are so many humans out there that are repressing their emotions and repressing energies, and I've talked about this in plenty of my other videos. There's an energetic component to our emotion, and these emotions are part of the human experience, and when they are repressed by food, by sex, by drugs, by gambling, by shopping, by whatever means that humans used to distract themselves by scrolling on social media, from watching TV, keeping your subconscious mind too busy for you to express and experience your emotions. We are keeping them repressed. We are pushing them in the shadow. We are labeling our emotions as negative and not wanting to express them. And they are trapped. So as we go forth on our spiritual journey, some of us are here and we are integrating those past life experiences that we have repressed in our consciousness. And we are integrating ancestral trauma that has been repressed within our DNA. And we are integrating collective energies that is just repressed in the collective consciousness. So if you have an emotional reaction to something that is completely out of proportion to the situation in your life, or you feel an emotion, a strong, intense energy coming up within you, and you're not sure why you're feeling it or experiencing it, it probably doesn't even belong to you in this incarnation. It's something from a past life, it's something from your ancestor, or it's something from the collective. Now here's what we have to do. We must understand that the human mind does not need to understand where this emotion is coming from. We are just the vessel in which this energy can flow through and be expressed. And the reason why some of us are experiencing this right now is because we've done the emotional work that we've needed to do for this incarnation. So now we're ready to take on our past lives and our ancestors in the collective energies to let them be expressed here on earth through our human experience and be the vessel in which we can do that. And guess what? You're strong enough to handle it. That's why we're strong enough. And I had to remember that the other day. I said, what is going on here? I'm having this huge emotional reaction to a minuscule trigger in my life. And I said, wait a second. My little human, she's got this. So let's clear, release, and transmute it into the light. Let's let it flow through us from a place of non-judgment and allow that emotion to exist in our human experience. We must understand this is just a human experience. This is just a human emotion. And we can feel it and release it and love it into the light. And through this process, I'm being called to work with the spirits of the elements and the earth and the tree spirits and the fire and the water spirits and call on them, because these are earthly frequencies that we need to transmute into the light. And usually I work with the angelic realm and beings of the highest Christed light. And you can call on them too and your galactic family or whoever you're used to working with. But we want to ground this energy down into Mother Earth. We can let these emotions flow through us right into the Mother. Mother will take them away. The tree spirits will take them away. The water spirits will take them away. And the fire spirits will take them away. And the easiest way to do that is to get out in nature, right? Put your bare feet, your body onto Mother Earth and just say, Mother Earth, thank you. I release these energies. I release them through my feet on the tree, or put your hands on a tree, hug a tree. You can stand in the sun. The sun will melt away. The sun is a big ball of fire, right? So we can go in the water, or we can even do this in an Epsom salt bath or a shower. You call on the spirits that you want to work with, whether that be fire, water, earth, trees, or even the spirits of the air. We have that in our breath with us every moment. And if you cannot physically arrange for that by getting on the earth or with a tree or out in nature or whatever in the water, you can visualize it. Visualize your grounding cord, and Mother Earth will just suck that emotion right out of you and transmute it. And as my friend Carmel always says, Mother Earth can use this as fertilizer. It doesn't harm the mother. It doesn't harm the trees. It doesn't harm. They love it. They love when we call on them to help us integrate earthly energies. Yes, human emotions are earthly energies. Earth is the only place where we experience human emotions. We must work with the earthly spirits, the spirits of the elements here, to ground, transmute, and release them into the light. And understand, you are strong. You got this, okay? We can handle our emotions. Not just our emotions, we can handle integrating our past life experiences, our ancestors' baggage, and the energies of the collective. So allow the emotion to flow through you and release it to the mother. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.